All right, Emily, give me the benefits of what this wand is going to do.
Okay, now as I was saying, we'll talk about collagen production and a little bit more elasticity in our skin. We want that, don't we? This little tiny device, this wand, is going to boost collagen production, help reduce fine lines and wrinkles, improve your skin elasticity and firmness. It's going to improve your skin texture as well as the tone. We're talking about healing and how it can help speed up healing when it comes to acne, when it comes to scarring, when it comes to rosacea, when it comes to eczema. All of these things out of this tiny little wand is a benefit for you and your skin.
So I have a question. Just recently had surgery and I have a scar now. I just got stitches out. Is this going to help with my scar?
100%.
So a little treatment on, it's covered up very nicely, but
it really is. You can't even notice it.
Stitches came out Friday.
This is not only going to help with the swelling and inflammation, but it is going to help to reduce that scar tissue to give you back your natural skin tone. When
I talked to Greta on the phone, who is using her Cala light therapy after surgery, she said to me, she said, make sure you're putting it on your scar. So Greta, this is for you. It's going on my scar. And so many estheticians, so many dermatologists, doctors are all talking about red light therapy treatment because it does help with so many benefits, increasing collagen production. I hadn't heard about improving sleep. We're going to get to all of these, and right now we're using the face device, but again, the tightening, the toning, the lifting, we're all, well, let's say gravity takes a hold and everything goes south, so we want it to back up a little.
It's true. I mean, and if you want to get into the science of it all, the mitochondria that is in our cells, it's kind of like the powerhouse of the cells. As we age, that tends to weaken. If we don't take very good care of ourselves, that weaken. If we don't exercise, they weaken. Red light therapy actually helps to increase the mitochondria in our cells, and that helps to boost the elasticity, the collagen, the muscle recovery, the inflammation reduction, the speed in which the mitochondria develop. So the more red light therapy you use, the more mitochondria you are going to develop. And that comes with eating healthy as well as exercise. All of those things go along with it. And red light therapy is just that added extra to your wellness routine. How does it feel?
It's got a little bit of a vibration as well, which is very soothing and very relaxing. And it gives you just a little bit of warmth. And I like that I can get right in, like the bunny crinkles in the corner of my eye, underneath, lifting, toning.
The bunny crinkles, is that a thing?
Yeah, look, these ones.
I've never heard it called the bunny crinkle. Oh, because when you wrinkle your nose,
you look like a bunny. All right, pick up on this, the therapy wand today, while you can, from Cala, Canadian company based right here in Toronto. The beautiful Cala Mini is one that I know so many people are using to heal, to treat. We're going to go through all of the wonderful benefits, but taking a look at this today, our dear Greta is using this post-surgery to help with her knee, and she said she had knee replacement surgery on May 13th at home, and she's at home for the next while. But she wanted to tell you how much her Cala Mini is helping with reducing pain and swelling. She started using the device before surgery and 2 weeks after, when her doctor gave her the okay. And she says she uses it every day before her physio. She even bought the larger unit. She's so thrilled, and she said, have great shows. I love that she sent in those pictures. Emily is here. So tell us about the Mini.
Well, the Cala Mini, very similar to all of the other red light devices that Cala makes. It gives you professional red light therapy in your hand. So it targets what you need. It targets wrinkles, acne, fine lines, scars, skin tone, sore joints, tight muscles, and inflammation in a nutshell. But it's got that powerful dual wavelength. So we've got the 660 nanometers, and that is the red light. And then we've got the 850 nanometers, which is the near infrared light. That is the light that penetrates deep. So the red light, that's helping to boost collagen, that's helping to promote skin healing. And then the near infrared light, that is when it starts to get penetrating into deep into your tissue. That helps with recovery and the pain.
Work my scar.
Oh yeah, this is perfect for you. This, I would say go with this if anything. So we've got the dual wavelengths, which is great.
And it's safe. I'm looking at it. No worries.
100%.
Okay.
It is completely safe for your eyes. It is small, but it is mighty. It'll do exactly what you need it to do in this tiny little compact device, backed by science, trusted by all of its users. I mean, we have so many great testimonials. People love the Mini. It sells out every single time I come on this show. It's hard to get them, but if you have the opportunity to, this is the red light device you start with.
And how long do we use it? So I noticed that there's a timer on there. So is there a set time that's
5,
recommended?
10, 15, 20 minutes.
Amazing.
So if you're a beginner, I would suggest 5 to 10 minutes 3 times a week.
Okay.
But if you are a user like myself, every day, this is like a 20-minute session. I leave it on my nightstand and I go about my day.
I love that. It's so simple, so easy. We're going to offer the stand in a few moments as well, so if you do want to pick up on the stand. But you can virtually, I saw Greta had it like sitting on the couch, and she had it just aimed directly at her knee. So if you're having hip surgery, knee surgery, any of that, you're going to love this, helping with your scars, helping with your collagen, the red light therapy and the far infrared light today at TSC.